Hey guys, hope you're doing good, and today I will tell you about how to find your niche. Now, what is niche? So, niche is something which you love doing, which you can monetize over a period of the time, and you are in the state of that comfortable zone, leading your life happily. Now, today I will put my small effort to figure out for you, like how to find your niche. So, it's really difficult to figure it out our niche at the start, but uh, today I will tell you some strategy to figure it out. What you need to do is you need to list each and everything which you love. For example, you might love singing, you might love dancing, you might be a gym fitness coach, or you might be good at preparing some new dishes. So list each and everything which you really love doing. And guys, if you still haven't figured it out the answer for this question, wait till the end. I have something for you. So once you have listed each and everything which you love, now the second thing which you need to do is see which of your passion, the thing which you love, can be monetized. For example, if you love dancing, it can be monetized by teaching to someone else. If you are good at preparing some good food, you can create your own channel and you can start earning from it. Like, you need to see which of your things which are really passionate can be monetized over a period of the time. So that's the key, guys. And once you have figured it out that it can be monetized over a period of the time, the third thing is you need to find out the audience for you. So the audience base for the people who love singing will be different. The audience base for the people who love dancing will be different. The audience base for the gym fitness coach will be different. So if you figured it out your audience, then you can serve them. And until and unless you can serve the world, you will not be able to monetize. So the first thing is you need to figure it out, or you need to find out what you love. And the second thing is that check whether it can be monetized over the period of the time. And the third thing is you need to figure it out your audience. So that's the thing, guys. And once you have done this, once you have figured it out three of these things, you need to start creating the content. Content is the king, guys. And once you have figured it out what is your passion, what you love, start creating content across it. Start posting videos across it. Start doing something across it. Or start posting the articles across it. And create that base for you. Okay? And once you have created that base for you, then over a period of the time, once you have started giving values, you can monetize over a period of the time. And if you ask me, I am in this stage of providing values to other people. I am creating all those videos where I am putting all the values to the world, and I am sharing all my knowledge to the world. And I am in this stage now. Over a period of the time, I will be able to monetize also. So that's the thing, guys. Content is the king, and start producing content across each platforms, on all the social platform, all the social media apps, and start giving value. Start sharing that knowledge, and over a period of the time, you will be able to monetize it. Now, how you will monetize this? If you're doing singing, if you're if you love dancing, or if you're for example a fitness coach, then start with free promotional activity and then make them enroll in your paid promotion. So now let me tell you everything in one go. So first you need to find out the things which you love. Second thing is you need to check whether you can monetize over the period of the time. And the third thing is you need to figure it out your audience. After that, you need to start producing content and figure it out who's your audience and monetize, and you can monetize. But first you need to start giving values to them, start sharing the knowledge to them, start producing content to them, and then you can monetize over a period of the time. Now, for all the people who are not able to find out the answer for the first question, it happened with me. It's really difficult to find out what you actually love. So I want you to start producing content across each and everything which you like. Start producing content, start posting your videos. Suppose you can start producing content on dancing, singing, or whatever you love, or whatever that you have in mind. Start producing content, start creating the content, and start posting on the social apps. Now, once you start posting the content on the social apps, see which videos or which post is getting the results, which one are turning out to be better. And once you figure it out which one is turning out better, then start doing more of it. And while you're doing this, you will be getting a lot of negative feedbacks. Don't worry about that, because I will tell you one thing: if you're watching Ramayana on YouTube, it has dislike button. So don't worry about negative. You just need to start posting content across each and everything. Start posting them, start posting on all the social media, and check which one is working for you, and those posts and those videos which are not working for you, don't create them. So play at the offense level. Don't defend. Don't stop yourself by thinking that people will judge me. No, you just need to start creating that, and once you are doing this, you will be figuring out which one is good for you, which one is better for you, and do more of it. And once you do more of it, you will ultimately get the result. And once you figure it out which one is better for you, start producing content across each platform and start posting the content, and over a period of the time you can monetize it. So this is how you need to find the niche. Like guys, don't worry about your age. Even I will tell you, if most of the people who are in age 50, 60, they really don't know what they are doing with their life. So don't worry, we are just a kid. We just need to keep on doing something. Doing is always better than thinking, guys. Keep on doing something and things will come to you. I hope you loved this video. Please hit a like and please subscribe. Thank you so much.